You might go to Yield Book for fixed income analytics, using it to analyze portfolios, assess risk, and support investment decisions. But what if Yield Book analytics could flow directly into your daily processes, inside the tools your teams already use, to automatically deliver insights when they're needed most? At Zix Wealth Group, portfolio manager Musa starts each day reviewing portfolio performance and risk. Each day begins the same way. A new portfolio arrives, analytics need to be calculated, reports need to be updated, and insights need to reach the people making decisions. Too much time is spent moving data from one process to another. So today, Musa opens Microsoft Power Automate to streamline the process. Using a pre-built Yield Book template from LSEG, he creates a workflow that will automatically process portfolio files as they arrive in his inbox. Incoming files are automatically archived for future reference. The flow retrieves the incoming portfolio, connects directly to Yield Book, and retrieves the Yield Book analytics Musa needs, including indicative data and price yield analytics. He selects a curve type, a prepay type, and volatility type. No need for knowledge of APIs or specialist coding skills. Now, when the email arrives, the workflow is triggered automatically. The job calculation is done. He can customize the output fields for his workflow and choose the format of his results. Those analytics are then returned automatically for reporting. Musa opens Power BI as he wants to explore the analytics visually to spot trends. For deeper analysis, he opens a custom Power app built on the same Yield Book outputs. The latest portfolio analytics are already available, helping him quickly identify changes in portfolio exposure, pricing, and performance. There, he can drill into individual positions, review analytics, and explore historical trends across the portfolio. The portfolio arrived, the analytics ran, the dashboards updated, and the insights were ready when they were needed. With Yield Book on Microsoft Power Platform, teams can spend less time preparing data and more time making decisions. Yield Book from LSEG, now Power Automated.